Hello Hot Family, my name is Andrea Delgado. I am 25 years old and I live in Caracas, Venezuela. I always in the share of learning new things. I'm lovely, comprehensive, empathetic, passionate and funny. I like to play, to cook, to sing, to draw, or work with recyclable materials. I'm good at math, chemistry and biology. When I was in my high school, I was part of the volleyball team. In my free time, I go to a Christian church. There, I study English and learn to play acoustic guitar. I also do Scouts activities and like to go to the beach and hike and meet with my friends. When I was 18 years old, I started taking care of my cousin children, Francis Medina, who has 3 children, Francis, Valentina, and Samuel. In October of 2013, I was a substitute teacher. I attended classes for the 5th grade and the 6th grade, the primary school. And the last year I took care of a baby for 5 months. Her name is Vicky and she has 1 year old now. I saw her taking her first steps and saying her first words. Sometimes I help other members of my family with their children. My responsibility were to change diapers, bath them, feed them, play with them, take to bed, teach how to draw. I also taught help with their homework. I work out with them. Besides all I've mentioned before, I used to cook for them and teach them how to make some snacks. I used to get everything organized at home. I live with my mom. Her name is Carolina Lozada and she is a biology professor. My father's name is Cesar Delgado and he is CEO for his own company. I don't live with him, but I see him often. I have 2 sisters. My big sister is Estefania. She has 27 years old. And my littlest Esther sister, Valeria, she has 9 years old. I grew up in a large and diverse family because my grandmother moms have 12 children, so I have many aunts, uncles and cousins. I try to save a little of time between my work, my studies, my hobbies and my friends to share with my family. In my country, the people are very friendly. We are the mixed of various races and cultures. And the women are very famous because we win the Miss Universe. We have 2 famous typical dishes, an arepa and ayaca.
The Miss Universe is Andrea Delgado, Miss Venezuela.
Oh, thank you so much. I need to say I love Venezuela and I want the world peace. I love spending time with children and this experience allowed me to do what I like, which is learning about other cultures and practicing my English. At the same time, teach my culture and my language. I used to say that I take care of your children as if they are my own family. I consider myself a creative person and I like to teach. I assure you that the kids' homework will never be a problem. I will to teach my culture and my language in an entertaining and educational way. I know it's a good experience for your children spending time with a person of a different culture for expand their mind. So thank you for watching my video. I hope you like it and you chose me to be your babe. Bye!